Hello guys, today I can show you the purchase model of the ERPBizz software. So we can start it right now. This is the purchase model. So purchase, what to do with the purchase module? Here we can create the request for quotations, purchase order, purchase agreement, purchase request, and you have already enlisted in your industry the vendors. Vendors master you can also available here. You can also see from here the product variant from product master. Reporting you can also reporting in the against of the purchase analysis report. Configuration you can set the different of the configurations, vendor price list, purchase agreement type, product attribute type, product unit of measurement. So everything you can set for that. Right now you can go for the create quotations. So I can choose the vendor. We can again create the quotations. Okay, that is the ABC info deck. So vendor reference is anything here. Purchase agreement you have to anything, so we can put it here. Right now we can put for the added product. Choose for the product for the procurement. I can for the acoustic block screen for the procurement purpose. Okay. So here is the product is coming. We can purchase for the five numbers of this type of products. Okay. We can put it here. So procure for the person is the five numbers. Okay. And we can save it the data and send to it the your vendors by mail. So this is the quotations. We can send it. We can send. So it is now created the your RFQ request for quotation sent to the customer. Sorry, vendor. Now you can go for the confirmation of the order. Whenever the customer vendor is giving the order confirmation, you can go for the order. And also the P00110 order is created. Okay. So now the order is confirmed from the customer side. Whenever the customer vendor is delivered the product, now you can receive the product from your side. Whenever you receive the product in your premises, that is in the stock in your in-house, that is the warehouse in where this material is already received in your premises. Now you can validate the receipt of the proceedings, receiving proceedings actually. So you just apply it and your product is already received and it is done. And it is where it is done. Now it is your warehouse in. So whenever the material is received, then you go for the again purchase order and create for the invoice for the creating for the customer bill for the payment. Okay. So create the bill. So bill is created and you can send it to your authority for the confirmation. Whenever the confirmation is coming, then you just confirm the payment procedure for the your vendor. The bill date is already needed for that. We can mention it that. So here is the bill date is required. So bill date is you can put it the today's scenario. You can make it the 30 or whatever it is. You can make it the today also 28th right now. So you can save it. You can save it and now confirm your payment procedure. Now your payment bill is ready and it is now required and it is for the waiting for the payment. Now it is already you can show there is the right side is posted, your bill is posted. So register for payment right now you can create for the payment purpose. Okay. So it is maybe the bank or cash whatever it is. So if it is bank then create for the payment. It is the for the vendor payment. So right now the payment is already done, and according to that, the paid is coming for that